Hey, adventurous souls! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a proud owner of a 5th Gen 4RUNNER and craving that extra space for your gear, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top roof racks that will transform your ride into the ultimate adventure machine. Whether you're hitting the mountains or embarking on a cross-country trip, these roof racks are designed for durability, style, and practicality. Stick around as we explore options that won't just enhance your 4RUNNER but also elevate your journey. Let's gear up and get started. Number 5. TKMAUTO Black Roof Rack Cargo Storage is the ultimate solution for your 2010 to 2024 4RUNNER, designed to enhance your outdoor adventures. Whether embarking on a family camping trip or a thrilling skiing excursion, this spacious roof rack offers ample storage for all your gear, freeing up valuable cabin space. Crafted from high-quality materials, it boasts exceptional durability, able to withstand tough terrains and varying weather conditions, ensuring your gear remains secure. Installation is a breeze with its bolt-on design, no drilling required. However, for those requiring an extra load rating, optional drilling provides added strength. Measuring 91 by 47 by 6 inches and weighing 66 pounds, the TKMAUTO roof rack is not just functional but also sleek, making it the best roof rack for the 5th Gen 4RUNNER. Elevate your adventures with limitless possibilities and reliable performance. Number 4. EZREXPM Roof Rack Basket, specifically designed for Toyota 4RUNNER models from 2010 to 2024. With a remarkable load capacity of 350 pounds, this roof rack basket is built from high-quality aluminum, ensuring it's waterproof, anti-rust, and corrosion-resistant, perfect for all your adventurous journeys. Say goodbye to complicated installations, as this rack fits seamlessly using your vehicle's pre-drilled factory holes, requiring absolutely no drilling. The package includes all necessary assembly and mounting hardware, making it simple to gear up for your next trip. Whether you're hauling camping gear, luggage, or sports equipment, the EZREXPM Roof Rack Basket is your go-to accessory, earning its spot as the best roof rack for 5th Gen 4RUNNER enthusiasts. Be sure to check out the installation video linked below for a quick and easy setup. Number 3. Hooke Road 4RUNNER Roof Rack, designed specially for the 2010 to 2024 Toyota 4RUNNER 5th Gen models. This full-length overland aluminum roof rack offers an impressive load capacity of 800 pounds, giving you ample space for all your outdoor gear. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, it not only maintains the functionality of your sunroof but also enhances your vehicle's overall look. The innovative T-slot channels provide endless possibilities for securing cargo and attaching accessories like roof tents, bike mounts, or lights. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum and robust 13-gauge steel panels, this rack is built to withstand the elements, ensuring your gear remains safe and secure during your adventures. With a simple installation process and a generous 2-year warranty, the Hooke Road 4RUNNER Roof Rack stands out as the best roof rack for 5th Gen 4RUNNER enthusiasts seeking reliability and versatility on their journeys. Number 2. YZONA Full-Size Roof Rack Cargo Basket is your ultimate solution for maximizing cargo space in your 2010 to 2024 Toyota 4RUNNER. With an impressive load capacity of 800 pounds, this roof rack effortlessly accommodates everything from camping gear to bicycles and travel essentials. Crafted from heavy-duty steel and coated in black powder, it boasts exceptional durability along with advanced electroplating technology for waterproofing and rust resistance. Designed with an aerodynamic, streamlined front, it minimizes wind resistance and noise, ensuring a pleasant driving experience. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling or modifications, simply bolt it on and hit the road. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and lifetime customer support. If you're searching for the best roof rack for your 5th Gen 4RUNNER, the YZONA Roof Rack is the perfect blend of functionality and style, transforming your vehicle into an efficient carrying machine for all your outdoor adventures. Number 1. RealTruck Modular Roof Rack. Designed to fit 2010 to 2023 models, This roof rack combines lightweight aluminum construction with a robust load rating of 150 pounds, making it both strong and efficient. The aerodynamic design not only enhances your vehicle's appearance but also minimizes noise while driving, so you can hit the road without distraction. With its premium textured black finish, the roof rack adds a touch of style while providing center rails with versatile anchor points for tie-down bungees and multiple mounting locations for LED lights at both the front and rear. Installation is a breeze, as it comes ready to mount with no drilling required for most models, supported by clear vehicle-specific instructions. What's more, it's backed by RealTruck's industry-leading 5-year warranty on the finish and a limited lifetime warranty on workmanship, ensuring you can trust your investment. Upgrade your 4Runner with the best roof rack for the 5th Gen 4Runner and set off on your next journey with confidence. In conclusion, finding the best roof rack for your 5th Gen 4Runner enhances your adventures and provides essential cargo space. Whether you opt for a dedicated off-road rack or a versatile crossbar system, each option elevates your vehicle's capabilities. Make sure to choose one that fits your needs perfectly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below your thoughts, and share this video with fellow 4Runner enthusiasts.